So I've been getting roasted by little kids on TikTok. They be commenting, I don't even have a Surron and I could wheelie, or ultra B brake for what. But for real though, this is my first bike with a throttle, and it's so hard to find the balance point, and the rear brake is like foreign to me. I don't even have that registered in my head yet, so I always forget it's there, even though I know it's there, if that makes sense. But yeah, today is day 7. Wish me luck, fam. So I'm gonna warm up and do some foot drags. Oh damn. Bro, I saw a cop. No lie, fam, I saw a cop over there. So I'm gonna have to practice somewhere else. Yeah, I saw a cop right there, and I'm not sticking around. So I don't know if he's gonna come back to the park, but I don't wanna be here when he comes. So I'm gonna go to a different park. It's kinda sad how I had to go to a park from a park, because I saw a cop. But I guess that's what we're living in right now, fam. Alright, chat. I'm at the new spot. I really don't want to practice right here because it's nice grass, but gotta do what gotta do. So back to the warm-ups. Oh. Let me see if I could just pop it up, like. Just gotta do those. That was a good one. That was a good one. Hopefully he doesn't hit me. Hopefully that guy don't hit me with this golf ball. See what Tiger Woods got. Aww. What a bomb. I think I'm gonna practice this way. Oh! This grass is kind of more longer than the one that I go to. I think on the comments on YouTube, they're saying don't jerk the throttle like this. Have a smooth throttle. So I'm gonna try that. Well, I am trying that right now, but letting it. Damn, Daniel. This right here feels better than foot drags, for sure. Man, my finger's sore. See, when I pop it up, I forget it's the real brake. What I'm trying to do, I'm trying to do slow wheelies. But it's kind of hard. Gotta get used to the rear brake. So that's what I'm doing. My finger's super sore right now. I don't know why, but it's sore. Oh, she's on my nizzle. And the thing is, too, it's super tiring. This is like a workout. Like, I'm already tired. But once I get it popped up, it feels comfortable. Like, I want it really longer, but I just can't. I'm gonna take a break. See, you hear that noise? See if it still goes. Oh yeah, it still goes. It's like dirt is in it. I have to do that. I have to take this off. I have to take this off and then put it back. But not right now. I'm gonna practice some more. Might as well. The way I'm going home. Oh, on the foot drags. Fuck. I'm gonna end the video here, fam. Like and subscribe. And I'm out. Deuces.